Petals. This is Sabra Manoj.
This is Saura Manoj.
So now today we are going to make a bird plane. As the name sounds, it flies like a bird. So for making a plane like this, we need a scale, a paper. If you have A4 paper also it's fine. We are taking a color paper. Scissors, pen and some glue. So let's see how to make. Let's start. Firstly, we should measure 15 centimeters. Width. Next, a 15 centimeter length. Now let's draw this together. Now you got a square. Next thing is to cut it out. Now we got a square. First, fold it like this. Next, like this. And when you open, you will get an X. And now fold a triangle. Then fold like this and like this and continue till it reaches there. Now we have got a shape. Next, we need to press all the parts gently. After pressing, lock it over here. But it's not tight, so we are going to apply some glue. Now it has been there tightly. So next step is to make the wings. But before going to that, please like, share and subscribe our channel if you didn't. So next step to make the wings. We have got the excess paper. Here we have to fold like this. Now you will get this line and cut. Now you got this paper. Fold it like this. Now we are going to glue this wing into the body. Apply some glue. Next is to take the wing and glue it over here. And now our plane is ready to fly. I can give you some tips to fly. When you fly, hold it over here so that it can fly smoothly. Next thing is make your wing like this so it will be straight, and when wind comes it will gently go like this. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
Thanks for watching. Bye.